You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, we are seeing the bulls trying to move the market to the upside, and then on the 4-hour chart here, we are seeing consolidation right here, like I talked about in my previous video. And then on ETH, we are seeing the market going up parabolically with this spike from the upside at this very area. And then if you look at the Bitcoin dominance right here, is right down. Like I said earlier, I want to see the market come back right down, and if that happens, we're going to see a rise in Ethereum more than we will see in Bitcoin. So what are we expecting next, as the market is at this very important support level on the Bitcoin dominance in the next coming days? So all of this and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel or you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day, and also check the channel for other educational content. So let's dive right in here. If you look at this very area of support, this is a very strong support. The stochastic is already out of the oversold territory right there, crossing the 20% mark, approaching the upside. So what we are expecting right now is for the market to go up, but the market still have capacity of coming back into this level before it will finally ride up. For us to confirm that the bulls are very, very strong in the market, we want to see a very strong move in the price of Bitcoin on the one-day chart right there that will cut across this very strong resistance level on the one-day chart. We see resistance at this area, and we have resistance here, and we have resistance here as well. So this very area of resistance is very important, and the market need to break it to signify that the bulls are very, very strong and they are ready to move the market to the upside against the bears. So right now, this is what we should be expecting in the next coming days. This very formation in the market right now does not imply or signify a lot of strength in the market. So that also means that market may not just pump to this area, but we could see market move up and then come back right down before it will move up again. So this is very, very critical right now in the market. So you have to be very careful at the moment on the one-day chart. So looking at the 4-hour chart right here, in my previous video yesterday, I talked about this very area that you expect retracement to the downside or consolidation. So what we are seeing right now is a consolidation. So if you look at this very area very well, this is already forming a consolidation area at this moment. So if you draw this out, I am looking for right now a breakout on these very areas. If we see a bearish breakout on this very area of support, then that means market could possibly go down to this area of $36,600 level approximately on this very area, because this was previous support here that can turn support again in the market. Then if you see a breakout on this level of resistance, then that also means market is going to go to the upside, and the target I am looking out for is this very level of $32,000 and $33,000 approximately at this area. So if you look at this very area, if market break this level, this is a strong supply level. So market will have capacity of reacting to this level. This may bring the market to the downside. So first of all, I am looking for a breakout first before I will talk about the reaction that I'm expecting from this very area on the 4-hour chart BTC USD right here. So this is what I am expecting on Bitcoin. If you look at this very area relating to the Bitcoin dominance, we see yesterday I was talking about a retracement that will come into the market, reason being that this was a very strong resistance. So if you look at it, this is resistance right here that turned resistance at the moment. So I was expecting the market to come back down, and exact same thing happened to this very area. So market plug right down. That is why we were not seeing enough move on Bitcoin around this area anymore. Rather, we were seeing enough move on Ethereum. So what I am looking out for right now, as the market approach this very support on Bitcoin, if market continue to go right down, then that also means that Bitcoin is going to go right down, crossing this very level of support to the downside. So if markets pause at this very area on the Bitcoin dominance, that also means market on Bitcoin, we have capacity of coming back to the upside, maybe possibly coming into this level of $32,000 and $33,000 at this very area of strong supply. So this is what I am looking at for right now on the immediate short term on BTC USDT. This is what you should also pay attention to right now on this chart. ETH USDT, we have seen the market plug right up from this area of support to the upside, and right now we are seeing rejection from this area as well. Before we can confirm a new trend in the market, we want to see the market break this very area of $3,100 level approximately at this very area of strong resistance. So if you look at it, we want to see a very strong move to the upside that will break this level. This will signify that the bulls are very strong, and this will also implies that a new uptrend have already begun. I want to see the market will come down to retest this very area of resistance before it will go up again. So we could possibly see the market come back into the area to retest this level before market will go up again in this formation. So this is what I am looking out for right now on ETH. Except I see this kind of formation, then we have not seen any uptrend yet. Right now we are still in a bear market, and you need to trade wisely if you are taking long and short positions. So this is what I am looking out for right now on ETH. Market may find it a little bit difficult to come into this area of strong resistance. So if you go back to the 4-hour chart on ETH, we've seen a nice move to the upside with a lot of rejection from this area. This rejection also implies that the bulls are getting hindered by the bears. That also means that markets have capacity of coming back to the downside. Then if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, as we see the market come back down from this area right here to the downside, we see a strong move in ETH from this very point around this area to the upside as well on ETH. This is also very important, and it means that if the market continue to stay on this very level, or the market continue to plug right down, ETH will have its capacity of coming back down as well, because the Bitcoin dominance have been going right down from this very area. That means Ethereum will come back down a little bit to retest this level of resistance that will turn support before the market will move up again. So what I am looking out for on the immediate short term on ETH is a little bit of pullback from this very area where the market is right now. So I'm expecting a pullback before the continuation of the next impulsive move. So this is exact same thing I am looking out for right now on ETH USDT at the moment. A pullback before a continuation of the next impulsive move in the market. So what do you think the market is going to do in the next coming days, especially this weekend? Comment below, what do you think the market is going to do right now? If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification, and also check the channel for other informative and educational content. If you have not registered on Binance, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description right now, and do a registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.